Welcome to Shark Advantage. Shark Advantage can be applied to the following printing disciplines: web converting, flexography, offset, digital, screen printing. Shark Advantage will assist with these well-known printing issues: maintaining registry control, increased tension, reduced speed, ghost printing, stretching of material, loss of profits. Why Shark Advantage? Tension-related web problems, loss of color-to-color registration while running at speed, splicing or changing speed, inconsistent repeat length and slack web, which can cause web breaks and wrap-ups around driven rolls, are perhaps the most obvious consequences of inadequate tension control on a web press. Others include deformation of web due to stretching or wrinkling, variation of coating thickness, unwind or rewind core crushing, reduction of machine speed to accommodate web handling problems or any of the problems above, hard rolls, soft rolls, telescoping rolls, excessive waste of web material, and the inability to run a wide range of web thicknesses, widths, and materials. Many of these problems are simply accepted as normal and are not attributed to inadequate control of web tension. However, printers and converters experiencing such trouble and recognizing the relationship can improve efficiency and profits by employing better tension control methods. By reducing web scrap and allowing a web press to run at higher speeds with defect-minimized output, a reliable web tension control system will not only improve a press bottom-line performance, but can pay for itself in as little as a few weeks. Tension zones. When characterizing a process to identify tension measurement or control requirements, the machine can be divided into 3 tension zones: the unwind zone, 1 or more, intermediate tension zones, typically multiple, and the rewind zone, possibly 1 or more. A tension zone is a length of machine in which the web is under the same tension. This occurs between driven rollers, between the unwind stand, and the first driven roll or nip, and between the last driven roll and the rewind stand. To properly control the tension in any of the zones, it must be measured, or approximated, by some means. So how does this actually help when on today's new presses you have automatic tension controls on both unwind and rewind stations? So just for clarity, you need more tension on the unwind when you start with a new roll and as the roll gets smaller, so you will need less, while on the rewind you start off with less and as the roll gets bigger you need more tension. But the critical point is that you need sufficient tension through the machine to prevent the material weaving from side to side, but this is a fine balance in the hands of the operator. Lower tension by 20%. And still maintain registry control. Shark Advantage sheets dramatically reduces stretch due to tension. All jobs can now be run at low tensions. Center your material. Without high tension. Shark Advantage sheets create micro-oscillations that self-center the material for optimal stabilization. Increase your return on investment. Using Shark Advantage sheets allows for less downtime due to stretching and image stabilization, significantly increasing productivity. Eliminate wrinkling. Shark Advantage sheets effectively spread the material evenly across the web, eliminating wrinkles. This significant advantage has been tested on various materials at various companies with great success. Operate at any speed. Shark Advantage sheets have no speed limitation. As the machine increases speed, Shark Advantage sheets increase performance. Anti-stick, anti-dust, maintenance-free. Shark Advantage sheets will never stick on any materials run through the machine. Additionally, the sheets do not create static electricity, adding dust and other particulates requiring cleaning. Maintenance-free.
Meet Dr. Sharky. And no, he is not a superhero. He is just an ordinary guy like us. The only superpower he has is the Shark Advantage. With the Shark Advantage, he actually has the ability to turn any machine into perfection. Dr. Sharky. In my world, there are 5 different types of uses where we can improve your processes. Number 1, flexo printing. Number 2, offset printing. Number 3, digital printing. Number 4, screen printing. And number 5, web converting. Now, let me tell you how our technology works. The Shark Advantage sheets amplify and channels inertia by creating a constant, alternating left-right movements. This allows the material to maintain a stable center, while allowing for the tension to be released, speed increased. Maintaining that stability prevents issues like missed registers and creasing, which allows for a large reduction of downtime. Be careful. Never apply the Shark Advantage sheets on a roller or idler directly in front of the printing station. Instead, the sheets should only be applied after a printing station. The Shark Advantage technology is patented and only available at sharkadvantage.com or through one of our representatives. You can use the following techniques for curing when you have the Shark Advantage. For example, hot air, IR light, or UV light. Now let me show you how to apply the Shark Advantage on idlers. Number 1, first clean the idler. Number 2, next, apply an adhesive to the idler roll such as double-sided tape on the cylinder. Number 3, finally, carefully stick the Shark Advantage on the cylinder and repeat the process for all idlers. Did you know that we can adjust machines for the highest performance results? How do we do that? When Shark Advantage sheets are installed on the machine, tension has to be released slowly in a step-by-step process. Now, once you see a spotted look on the material surface, that means your tension is correct and you can start printing and converting. Woohoo! By the way, web converting machines also follow the same procedures as printing presses. Since we created our Shark Advantage sheets from a high-grade silicone material, this allows the sheets to be used in almost any application and on almost any equipment. Be careful to protect tape edges to prevent any peeling. How long will the Shark Advantage sheets last? This depends on many factors, including the intended application, material being processed, and the range of speed used in throughout the process. The cost is a fraction of what you will save by increasing the efficiency of every machine. No need to remove the Shark Advantage sheets from the equipment before they are worn out, or you need to make a change to the sheets for a different application. Visit www.sharkadvantage.com or fill out the simple questionnaire by clicking the link below to start saving money and improve your machines.
Shark Advantage mounting in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Clean roller surface and apply double-sided tape. Step 2. Apply sheet to pre-treated surface. Step 3. Run with 20% less tension and optimal image stabilization. Similar products found in the market. The herringbone example on the top right is a more complex, robust design. However, this application is extremely costly and may even be less effective. Simple herringbone design. This unit on the bottom right is made for an inking roller. It floats in the ink and runs against the cylinder or anti-locks to prevent skinning of ink. Due to the simple design, it stays in the center of the roller.